Hi. Well, it's been quite the week for the stock market as I filmed this on Friday morning. It's looking like the market's going to be down another 2 or 3%, although, as we've seen over the last 8 days, that can change pretty quickly. The key is to stay calm. Just like I told everybody last Thursday, our brains don't like uncertainty. We have to realize what's going on here is nobody knows what's going to happen to the economy, corporate earnings, and then what we should pay for those. So we see this constant back and forth. We see experts out there saying it's a buying opportunity because the fourth quarter is going to be spectacular. We see other people acting like it's the end of the world. It's probably somewhere in between. The key is having a plan. Most of the clients we work with have an advisor who's already put that plan in place. If you don't, or you just want a checkup of, hey, I'd like to see what my personality says, we have this nice, easy questionnaire, 10 questions. Go to semwealth.com, click on the button on the top right that says, take our risk questionnaire. It'll walk you through some things, and then we can forward that to your advisor, and we can take a look and make sure that you're in the right portfolio for you. What's nice is our models are doing their job. So if you already had that plan and you worked with an advisor who did that, you look at what's happened. Our dynamic models look at the economy, and since the end of 2018, they've been saying the growth rate is trending down, so they've been bearish. And so it's been really nice. Almost everybody has some dynamic allocations in their portfolio, and they've been holding up so well. In fact, they're having a very nice year so far, and beating almost everything. And what's neat about that is if this is a big correction in the economy and then it kind of washes things out, it gives it the opportunity to switch to a growth mode and put some more risky assets into those dynamic models, which is something we haven't seen for quite some time. So that's a very key part of most people's portfolio. The tactical models, we watch those every day and they have done their job. They started moving out 8 days ago. They're completely out. They're just riding it out, waiting for opportunities. And there's some real risks that high yield bonds and even some triple B investment grade bonds could default. I know that's scary if you own those things, but we don't own those anymore. So now it gives us the opportunity to see this big correction in prices and a chance for us to make money once things settle down and we stand ready to reallocate that capital as necessary. And then finally, our longer term models, Ameriguard and Cornerstone, they're writing this out. But what makes them different than most buy and hold portfolios is they don't have any small caps. They don't have any international stocks. They're all large caps. And large caps are holding up so much better than small cap or international stocks. And that's giving us a little bit of a cushion to stay invested in our long-term portfolio because we stack those with dynamic and tactical models. And then it gives us this much smoother ride. Now, a lot of you might think, hey, it's too late to make adjustments. Really, it's not. Though all the market's done is it's given back those crazy gains that we saw since October 2019, and then especially January, the market just was insane. It was not pricing in what reality was. And now we're back there, but we're also all the way back to where we were at in October 2018. So you haven't given up anything. You now have a chance to right size your portfolio. If you're not with SEM or you have money outside of SEM, take that risk questionnaire, semwealth.com, click that button at the top that says take our risk questionnaire. There's a place to securely upload your statement. We can send you a Morningstar report that shows you exactly how you're allocated and some of the risks you might have in your portfolio. Definitely not too late to get that portfolio right size, especially if you felt a little bit uncomfortable or questioning what your investment allocations are. No charge for that, no obligation. It's something we love to do to help you out. Keep in mind, bottoms are a process, not a one-time event. There is serious consequences to what's happening in the economy. Some of these conferences can't be rescheduled. People may not take cruises for years that we're planning on doing it. It's not going to be something that's solved by cutting rates instantly. Stay calm, stick with your plan, take care of yourself, make sure you're healthy, spend time with your family. Let us take care of your money for you.